Guys, come with me to the biggest luxury brand outlet in the Gold Coast. We will be shopping at Ralph Lauren today. And guys, please tell me if the clothes are worth it or no, because sometimes outlets are not worth it. I feel like sometimes they just bring the worst clothes to the outlets and they just expect people to buy them. And honestly, sometimes these kind of stores are super overpriced. So let's see if it's worth it or not. Okay guys, we got something. I need to say that I didn't have much for women. I got my dad some stuff. I will show it to you soon, but they always are lacking on clothing for women. And actually, I don't know why the same t-shirts for men and for women, they are $100 different. So why they do that? But let's check a few other stores. So Kate Spade is having a 50% off. Let's check it out. Those ones are pretty ugly. Let's say that. Those are super cute. It wasn't bad at all. They had 50% off in every single item. So I think it's pretty much worth it. If you guys are looking for a Kate Spade bag, this is your time to go. Let's check what they have at Coach. They have 50% discount as well, so let's see. I don't like those ones at all. Look at this one with the animal print. It has the wallets as well. Nice ones. Those are really ugly. Those are super fun. Let's check Calvin Klein. They have a 70% discount, up to 70%, so let's see. They have a big section of jeans, $99.95, not bad. $45 for really simple t-shirts. I don't think it's worth it at all, but if you guys want it, here they are. Pretty similar jacket to the one that I'm wearing for $209. This one's very similar to the ones that were in Ralph Lauren. They're 40% off, quality-wise, very similar. And they are $149 Australian. Best prices are over here, honestly, on the jeans section. Much better than anything else in this store. But again, $39.95, yes, for men. Women always have to pay more. Nothing that really stands out. They always have those kind of sweaters, 40% off, and they're around $30 to $120. Nothing really new here and nothing that really stands out. So let's see what else we can find. Something I always need to check is this. I'm a sucker for rings and necklaces and all that. Guys, I'm really obsessed with that silver ring, but in gold. Can you see silver is under $100? And in gold is $450. So I think it's going to be my Christmas present. Should I not? I think I should call my parents and ask them if they want to give me a Christmas present, because I'm obsessed with it. I'm so obsessed. I have looked at it so many times that I know I'm getting it. Most probably this Christmas. Tommy always has great deals, so let's check it out. 40% on those ones. 118, 40% of that. Not bad. I have been wanting to get my dad this jacket for a long time. The price doesn't go down. It's just this one. I prefer it on that color, but I guess when I saw it to you, it's 40% off, but it's always $244. This jacket has been here for years, I can tell you that, and it's always the same price. Like, are you guys going to put it down? That one is super cute too. Let's see. $209. A bit expensive. I was looking for sweaters here, but I can't find them. All those are around $109. Let me say the pricing for women's clothing. So this one will be $118. Not bad. $62 for a really simple thin shirt. Not worth it. $174 for those kind of pants. Actually, I like them a lot. They're so nice for summer. It combines with anything. Honestly, I love those ones. Similar issue with this jacket. I have been waiting such a long time to get this one discounted, but it's never going to happen. $259. Pretty similar shares to Ralph Lauren, $118. $350 for this one. It's thick, you can feel that it's a great material, but still $350. Something that is always good here are the sneakers. $49, and they have different styles. I really like them though. Those are great for summer. Those are another styles, but they are not discounted. This is cute too. They have the open sandals. I don't know if I like them that much, but here is another option. $49, $50 actually. But I really like those ones for men. I don't know, many people dislike them, but I love them. This one is actually super cute, $90, but I feel it's like too long, so no. Dresses are nothing special, too simple, and I don't think they will fit good. But you guys, yeah, I'm going home now, but stay tuned because I'm going to show you what items I decided to get. Okay, I'm home guys, and I'm going to show you what I bought. I got this beautiful t-shirt. Love this detail at the bottom, really nice sleeves. The material is quite thick and it goes with absolutely anything, so yep. I got this beautiful shirt for my father. Short sleeves, quite thick. Love the details. This is how it is at the bottom. Really like it, love this color. My dad gets quite tan, so I think it's going to suit him super good. And I got the same one in white as well for that. Short sleeve as well, I think, but nice for summer. I love the line in the back. But yes, that was everything for today. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Love you all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.